Hello, friends. How to keep your crypto assets safe? Yeah, crypto. Today, cryptocurrency is now the talk of the world. Everybody wants to have a piece of crypto. But however, majority of us are doing it the wrong way. We are not saving our cryptos at the right places, right? Now, we have majorly three types of crypto wallet where cryptocurrency can be stored. These wallets are like your see it like a bank account, see it like your wallet, your bank app wallet, okay, bank account. Now, a lot of us are fond of saving or leaving our currencies on exchanges. That is not the best practice. I'm going to tell you. Now we have, before I talk about this disadvantage of having your money on exchange, we have three types. We have uh, exchange wallet, we have the hot wallet, and then we have the cold wallet. Now, let me start with the exchange wallet. The exchange wallet is a wallet that is embedded on exchange, right? We have various exchanges in the world, over almost 1,000 of them, major ones. We have like the Binance, the Bybit, OKS, KuCoin, and all that. They all have their own internal wallet within that exchange. Now, if you have your asset on that exchange, your money is not really 100% safe. Why? Because those exchange they automatically have access to those funds because you don't have private keys, you don't have privacy when it comes to keeping your money there. If God forbid anything happens tomorrow, the exchange goes experience bankruptcy, your money is gone. Your money is gone. Now, if that exchange gets hacked, your money is gone. See, for example, that of the issue of FTX. FTX, when they went bankrupt, everybody who had their funds there had challenge. So it's not the best place to actually have your money saved, right? So there is a lot of disadvantage of having your money, leaving your money on exchange. Now, let's look at the second one, which I would like to call it the cold wallet. The cold wallet. Cold wallet are wallets that are disconnected from the internet. They are offline. Some of them are found on devices, various devices, just like your flash drive, right? And these cold wallets, they are the only means to actually send money, send your fund into it is via the address, a unique address or QR code. Okay, some cold wallet can house various cryptocurrencies, right? Hundreds and thousands of cryptocurrencies, right? Now, these cold wallets tend to be one of the most secured in the world. They are the most secured in the world, but that is not to say that they are 100% safe. They are not 100% safe. They can be stolen, they can be damaged, right? So, however, they are proven to be the most secure because they are always disconnected from the internet. So most people get their money hacked, account hacked because their devices are connected to internet. But these cold wallets are offline. They are offline, right? Now we have various examples. We have the Ledger Nano X, we have the Treasure Model T, we have the Elipar, we have the Titan, we have the SafePower, we have the Paper Wallet. Those are all cold wallets. Now let's talk about the last one, Hot Wallet, which virtually every smart guy should be using. A lot of persons are already using it. Now, some of these exchanges they also own their own hot wallet, right? Hot wallets are wallets that are they have to be found within an app. Okay, they are not on an exchange. They are independent wallets created by some renowned companies. All right, these wallets you install them on your app on your device from the Play Store or App Store, and then have them set up. At the point of setup, you are made to write down some private keys. You are made to write down some private keys, some key phrase or security codes and all that. At the end of the day, you are prompted to save it. Save it outside your device so that if anything happens tomorrow, your phone is damaged or stolen, you can restore using those private keys to restore your account onto a new device and your funds could be accessed by then. All right. So hot wallets are popular and most people are already using it. One of the most popular one today is Trust Wallet. We have that of what will I call it again? Coinbase. Coinbase has a hot wallet. Then we have Smart Wallet by the Ultima community. We have Millicent Wallet. Now we have few hot wallets, okay, that are making wave today, right? These wallets are very, very good. Hot wallets are good. Far, 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 far better than having your funds on exchange wallet. So I do not recommend you having your funds on exchange wallet because your wallet, your money is prone to attack, it's prone to being mismanaged, it's prone to being stopped from being withdrawn. Because at the end of the day, if, for example, that exchange you have your money on, they are having financial challenge, they will not allow you withdraw your money, be it USDT, be it Bitcoin, whatever currency, they will not allow you because they don't have enough liquidity to back up your withdrawal. So that is why many people lose their money, have their money stuck on exchanges, complaining, and those exchanges are exchanges that are already facing bankruptcy. They are already having financial challenge. So the best place, if you cannot afford the cold wallet, which price is ranging between $50 and above, if you can't afford that, please go for hot wallet. Go to Play Store, it is free. Trust Wallet is free. Smart Wallet is free. And Coinbase Wallet is also free. Have them installed and set it up. Keep your private keys outside. That is not to say that it's 100% safe also. If your phone is stolen and the person has access to your details, they can also have access to your funds. If, for example, you have private key kept somewhere, somebody who is smart sees it, the person can use your private key and report your account into a new phone and still have access to your phone. So either ways, nothing is really 100% secured, but the most vulnerable exchange right now, vulnerable wallet is that of the exchange, right? So you do not need to store your money there. See you on another video.